Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a box. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and repeat the steps from the other side and press well. Open it. Now horizontally repeat this step. Again from the other side, the same step. Alright, now open it. Fold it to the crease from one side and then the other. Again fold it. And press well. Open up. Now turn it and fold a triangle according to the creases on your paper from one side and then from the other. Repeat this step from the third side and then the fourth one. Turn it. Now fold from the crease. From the third side press it and then from the fourth one. Now folding inwards. And press it. Now fold the triangles towards the center from the second side, now the third one, and finally the fourth. Now press it like this, then from the second side, the third one, and finally the fourth. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. Open the folds. Now fold it to the crease, then fold it inwards. Again press it according to the crease. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Now from the third side. And finally the fourth. Shaping it, and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.